Unboxing time! Yeah, this one is a girly girl. It's my favorite also, Ido. Karora girl. Oh, so good! Karora girls recommend. Coco. Mitch Coco. It's inspired from the Chanel Coco. Coco Chanel. Ooh. This like not my style, but it's nice. Must find. It's calm, it's very elegance. It's also nice. Mascara. It's so fresh. It's so colorful, confident, so energetic. Lorenzo. Wow, Mas Lorenzo is like so powdery, so soft, so nice, like a sweet salt. It's like sweet salt. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. This case is gorgeous, so I can put the perfume here and put inside. Ta-da, I'm traveling with this. It's a high material. If you like the smell like me, like floral, soft and sweet like a girl's, you must try the Match Corolla Girl, Idol, and Mas Lorenzo. These three I recommend. Bye everyone.